Hey guys, 1017 Productions here. We're back with a new video. It's been a little while. I'm doing a lot of work, and I've been doing some customs, But recently, not that long ago, I got a special engine that you guys might know. He's the number 11. Please welcome Mr. Oliver. I also have a TikTok account, and that's how you also may be known. Let's take a closer look at him. So this is Oliver, as you all see. I had to do some fix-up on him. Running board. All the green was showing. Even the back too. Other side. And now when I got him, the side right here was broken. The pin and the piston rod was gone. It does work, it's just you have to put a little pressure on it. But other than for that, that's okay. And the most messed up part was his face. So without any further ado, here's his face. Looks amazing, right? And this is just the first character that I got. I have plenty more. I'm going to be doing a little more showcases of my engines in the future. Right now we're going to do the GWR crew. So this is Oliver. Let's make him go away. The next character. Here is Duck. Duck was the second character that I got from this huge lot. And the one thing that I'm not too sure is the chip in his funnel. Come on, focus. I'm not too sure if you guys can see it. It has like a line going down in his funnel. I'm not too sure if it was store-bought that way or not. The one thing that this was that when I got it was still working. It had a battery, old, and there's a lot of hair down here too. I got him, fixed him, and now he works. I didn't do anything to him. It's just, he is perfectly fine. His face is perfect other than for that very small red mark. It's completely fine. Other side, behind. And yeah, that's it for Duck. Now go away. Finito, and lastly but not least, is Toad. Toad the breakvan. I also got him with the lot too. I was very happy because I saw Oliver and I was like, holy cow, without even going on freaking eBay because they cost a lot. But the one thing that I love about this is that I now finally have him. He is my favorite. And if you guys didn't know, a while ago, I did make a custom Oliver, but the front bogey, no, not the front bogey, the wheel doesn't work on the curves. It keeps on stopping and derailing. So finally, that I now have him. And I did make a Toad. Let's see, yes. I did make a Toad, too, but, again, I'm happy that I got him. So I'm probably just gonna turn this into another brake van, maybe with a face, maybe. I'm not too sure. But that is it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.